Want to master YouTube? You need to understand the algorithm. Here are the 5 basic pillars that determine your success. The YouTube algorithm is a complex system, but we can break it down into 5 simple key pillars that every creator should focus on. Pillar number 1 is click-through rate, or center. This is the first hurdle your video must clear. Center measures how many people click your video after seeing the thumbnail and title. For example, if 100 people see your video and 5 click, your center is 5%. The tip here is simple. Use eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles that create curiosity and make people want to click. Pillar 2 is audience retention. This tells YouTube if your video delivers on the promise made by your title and thumbnail. Retention tracks how long people actually stay and watch after they click. If viewers leave quickly, YouTube stops recommending your video. To maximize retention, you need to grab the audience's attention in the first 30 seconds and keep them engaged throughout the video. Pillar 3 is watch time, which is the total time people spend watching your content across the platform. This isn't just about one video. It's about the cumulative minutes viewers spend watching all your videos. YouTube rewards videos that keep people on the platform longer, meaning you need to create content that encourages viewers to watch multiple videos. Pillar 4 is engagement. This includes all the ways viewers interact with your content. Engagement means likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. These actions signal to YouTube that your content is valuable and worth promoting. When someone comments or shares your video, it sends a strong, positive signal to the algorithm, boosting your video's visibility. Finally, Pillar 5 is search and metadata, also known as YouTube SEO. Remember that YouTube is the second largest search engine globally. People actively search for content here. Ensure your titles, descriptions, and tags include relevant keywords, so your video appears when people search for your topic. By focusing on these 5 pillars, you can significantly improve your video performance and achieve success on YouTube.